Unraveling the Big Bang, a journey through space and time. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to dive into, the phrase, Big Bang. You might have heard it in different contexts. But do you know what it actually means? Stay tuned as we explore the origins, meanings, and uses of this intriguing phrase. Let's unravel the mystery of the Big Bang, together. Big Bang is a compound noun, made up of two words, big and bang. Big is an adjective that means large in size, extent, or intensity. Bang, on the other hand, is a noun that refers to a sudden loud noise, especially one caused by something exploding or hitting another object. So literally, Big Bang would mean a large, loud noise or explosion. However, the phrase has taken on a very specific meaning in scientific contexts. When we talk about the Big Bang in a scientific context, we're referring to the Big Bang theory. This is the leading explanation about how the universe began, around 13.8 billion years ago. According to this theory, the universe started as a very small, hot, and dense point and expanded rapidly in a colossal explosion, eventually cooling down and leading to the formation of stars, galaxies, and everything else in the universe. It's important to note that when scientists use the term Big Bang, they are not describing an explosion in space, but rather an expansion of space itself. The phrase, Big Bang, has also made its way into popular culture, most notably with the famous television show, The Big Bang Theory. In this context, the term doesn't refer to the scientific theory, but rather plays on the double meaning of the words, as the show revolves around a group of scientists and the comedic, explosive interactions they have in their daily lives. Now that we've explored the meanings of Big Bang, let's see how we can use this phrase in sentences. In a scientific context, the Big Bang theory explains the origins of our universe. In popular culture, have you watched the latest episode of The Big Bang Theory? Thank you so much for joining us today to explore the Big Bang. We hope this video has helped clarify the meanings and uses of this fascinating phrase. Whether you're diving into the mysteries of the universe or just enjoying a good TV show, the Big Bang has something for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future English language adventures. See you next time.